what a lovely surprise it is to see you in 5-minute maths. I guarantee it'll be closer to 5 minutes here. Here is the date. Here is the topic. If you want to do the quiz, you can go and do that, but you don't have to. This is the main information. That's a YouTube link. You'll have to leave DECV online. But it tells you the main ideas about why a number system is based on groups of 10 or place value charts. These other elements you have here, you can choose to go to or not go to. What will work really well is if you do the quiz, see how you go with that, do the information, and then try the quiz again. I have had students get 2 right the first try, and then they get them all right on the second try. All up to you now. Still love you coming to 5-minute maths. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you.